Welcome friends to the enchanted kitchen of culinary wonders. Today we embark on a journey to create a majestic dish fit for royalty. The magnificent Jackfruit Biryani with Yakhni. Prepare to be spellbound as we unveil the secrets of this exquisite recipe. Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, there lived a humble jackfruit, waiting to be transformed into something extraordinary. First, we meet the heart of our kingdom, the noble rice. For this tale, we have chosen this specific variety of biryani rice. You can choose any rice, wash it thoroughly, and set it aside to await its moment of glory. Now gather around as we make the magical Yakhni broth. For that, take 8 to 10 green cardamom pods, 7 to 8 cloves, 7 to 8 cinnamon, half teaspoon javitri or mace, and 1/4 piece of jaifal in a soft mulmul cloth. Tie the cloth from all sides and drop it into a pot of water. Add directly into the water 4 to 5 bay leaves, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon grated raw turmeric, and close the lid. Now take some sun-dried rose flowers, put them in water for 15 minutes, mash and strain. Our homemade rose water will be ready. Now take 15 to 20 strands of saffron and grind them. Did you know this golden spice was once worth its weight in gold? That's because it's packed with flavor and color. Mix the saffron with a little warm milk. Watch as the milk transforms into a rich golden elixir right in front of your eyes. This step ensures that all the incredible saffron flavor and vibrant color are fully infused into the milk. The Yakhni water has simmered on low heat for about half an hour, and now it's rich reddish brown like dusk of a perfect day. Strain the water and keep it aside. Our enchanted Yakhni is ready. Now we will half boil the rice in the Yakhni water, infusing it with the essence of our magical brew. Meanwhile, let's create the golden birista. Birista is the golden crown of our biryani. In a pan, heat some oil and fry thinly sliced onions until they are golden brown in color and also crispy, like the treasure of a forgotten kingdom. This adds a deep caramelized flavor to our biryani. The rice is perfectly ready. Each grain is separate from the other one, so it's time to weave the spill of our jackfruit masala. In a pan, heat some ghee and add 3 tablespoons of onion paste with a stir and ice. Fry it well until it's golden, like the dawn of a new day. Now add a paste of 2 large tomatoes and 2 cubes of ginger. Stir continuously. Remember, stirring is the magic wand for this recipe. Now add the spice powders. Half tablespoon biryani masala, the soul of our dish. Half teaspoon red chili powder, the spark of excitement. Half tablespoon sugar, the sweetness of life. And turmeric powder, the touch of the sun. Blend everything well and fry it until the masala is well cooked and aromatic. Now we will add the hero of our story, that is the jackfruit. We have already steamed them with some salt and turmeric powder. And now stir, stir, stir. Mix everything properly. Add water to make a gravy and salt to taste. Keep the gravy a bit thin because the rice will soak it up like a thirsty traveler finding an oasis. grand layering of our biryani, a true royal ceremony. In a deep vessel, start with a layer of jackfruit masala at the bottom, the foundation of our kingdom. Add the first layer of rice, like a layer of pristine snow. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of ghee over it for richness, the golden touch of the palace. Add homemade rose water, the fragrance of royal gardens. Add half of crispy onion birista, the jewels of our dish. Continue with another layer of jackfruit korma and rice. Top with green peas and 1 teaspoon of kevra water, the emeralds of our kingdom. Add the final layer of jackfruit korma and the last layer of rice. Drizzle the saffron milk over the top layer, the golden rain of prosperity. Finish with a sprinkle of coriander leaves and half teaspoon green cardamom powder, the final touch of elegance. For the final touch, we will cook our biryani on dum. Place the vessel in a large pot, seal the lid tightly and cook on low heat for 15 minutes. This slow cooking allows all flavors to melt together beautifully. And tada! Our exquisitely flavorful jackfruit biryani is ready to be served. It's best paired with tropical salad and raita. In our case, it's cucumber raita. If you enjoyed the culinary fairy tale, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious adventures. And hello, if you have ever had a biryani mishap, share your story in the comments. Let's laugh and learn together. Bon appetit and may your kitchen be ever magical.